Welcome to the channel. This is My Wallet Hurts. I am your host, and today we are going to be opening up a box of 2021 Diamond Kings Baseball. This is a hobby box. Comes with 2 autographs or memorabilia per box on average. You can find approximately 8 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. You are going to see a set size of about 170 cards. That doesn't include the inserts as well, but it's a 170 card set. In the box average, I would say you're going to find 1 autograph, 1 memorabilia card. These supposedly have, I think it is, the ultra rare short printed inserts, including blank slate and the new blackout and street art. Supposedly you're supposed to have 2 gray frames and 1 plum frame per box. So yeah, this box will run you. I know Dave and Adams was having a Black Friday special on them. I think they were like between $65 and $69. This box came from my local antique shop. It is currently, I paid $73. I think it was $73.22 altogether with tax and everything. So you're gonna find I think with the 2021 Diamond Kings, in my opinion, it takes from like a combination of artwork and the athletes and makes it very unique. Diamond Kings, not everybody likes to have stuff that is not having the logo, team logos, or anything on it. It's a large hobby. Different people like different things. We don't judge people just because they don't like something with not having a logo on it. You know, Panini does some very good cards with their baseball series. Even when before they lost the license to Topps, Panini had a lot of good series. So let's dig into this box and see what we can get. All kinds of goodies. So here's the back for if anybody wants to pause it and read what you can find. You're going to find a lot of serial numbers in this. Let's dig in. Like I was saying, some people like the artwork, some don't. The hobby's large enough that it can accommodate everybody. Their likes, their dislikes, and that's fine. It does not carry a high retail value for some. It just all depends upon who the player is and who the cards are of. But, like I said, for a general collector that enjoys the hobby, enjoys card collecting, gives you an opportunity to do something with your kids, it's a good hobby. Ooh, that's a thick pack there, as you can see. We'll save that one for last. Yes, I'm going to be hostile. You usually see the good thick packs. That's usually your jersey card or your jersey memorabilia autograph card. So we don't play sides. We'll just mix it up a little bit and go with what we have and take it from there. Whatever happens. Let's have fun with it. And let's look into some 2021 Diamond King baseball. And this is the first pack. Ooh, Stan Musial. A little teaser. We have Christian Javier, Houston, who just won the World Series. Not a big fan of Houston, but, you know, it is what it is. We have, Eddie Stanky from Brooklyn. We have Kebron Hayes. This is his rookie card from Pittsburgh. It's nice. Camera focus. There we go. And we have Freddie Freeman from Atlanta. It was very odd to see him playing in a Dodgers jersey this year. It was very strange to see. We have Daniel Johnson from Cleveland. And we have Legacy Lithographs, Reggie Jackson, New York. We have Grover Alexander, Philadelphia, and Stan Musial. And the rookies, we sleeve them up off screen. When I'm building a set, all rookies in the set get sleeved, even if they're Johnny One-Bencher. One game player. Seems a little thick. Yes, I'm going to be hostile, and we're going to save that to the end. Drives people nuts, but I like a good surprise. Okay, we have Chicago, Chris Bryant. We have Jamahi Jones, Baltimore. Joe Cronin, Boston. Luis Patino, Tampa Bay, rookie card. Lou Gehrig, New York. Mickey Mantle, Elegance, New York. Travis Blankenhorn, rookie card, Minnesota. And Jazz Chisholm, Miami. I apologize if I mispronounce these names. I am not very good with my enunciations. Well, if you're a Mets fan like me, that's a happy card to see. Jacob deGrom. Ooh, there's one for the PC. Toronto, Bo Bichette. We have Manny Machado, San Diego. Mickey Moniak, Philadelphia rookie card. Christy Matherson, New York. We have Lucas Giolito, Chicago. Legacy Lithographs, David Ortiz. And that's what the back of them look like. If you're familiar, if you've collected Upper Deck Hockey at all, there's a canvas insert. This card has kind of like a canvas appearance like. Again, these are artwork cards, hence the canvas-like feel. Debut Diamond Kings, Seattle, Evan White. And finally, New York Mets, Jacob deGrom. Here. Okay. Sorry for that. We had an issue. Trevor Story, Colorado. Estevan Florial, rookie card, New York Yankees. Walter Johnson, Washington. Marcell Ozuna, Atlanta. Ooh. Okay, now I'm excited. Toronto. Purple frame. Bo Bichette, All right. Last box of Diamond Kings I did 22 Diamond Kings in a previous video. And pulled a gray frame of him. So now I have the purple on the 2021 and the gray frame in the 2022 version. Aficionado, Dylan Carlson. Casey Mize, Detroit, debut Diamond Kings. And Tariq Skubal. I apologize if I mispronounced that. Detroit Tigers, and that is his rookie card. Feels a little thick. Whoa. Something's going on here. Wonder if we hit a hot box. Yes, I'm going to be hostile and save that to the end. Tony Gwynn, San Diego Padres. May he rest in peace. Good ball hitter, good ball player. Very professional. Juan Soto, Washington. Edward Oliviers, Kansas City, rookie card. Harvey Kuhn, Detroit. And our gray border is Los Angeles. Zach McKinstry, rookie card. And we'll get that sleeved up on the screen. Artist Palette, Shohei Ohtani. I'm terrible today. I can't speak right. Francisco Lindor, New York. And we're closing in that pack out with Luis Garcia, rookie card, Washington. Yay! Good way to start the pack. Toronto. Nate Pearson, rookie card. Lou Brock, St. Louis. There's Mike Trout, Los Angeles. Jose Garcia, rookie card, Cincinnati. And our other gray frame is a Minnesota player. Ryan Jeffers, rookie card. Artist Palette, Charlie Blackmon, Colorado. Palette. It's Artist Palette. Debut Diamond Kings, Braylon Marquez. And we're closing that out with a Met. New York Mets, Tom Seaver. Uh-oh. I see something shiny. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. That could be the case hit. Ooh, chills. I'm getting goosebumps. It's hard to see, but I'm getting goosebumps. Buster Posey, San Francisco. Clark Schmidt, New York Yankees, rookie card. Ted Williams, Boston. New York, DJ Lemieux. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, it's upside down. Oh. Slow reveal this. Slowly. Oh my. Any guesses? Any guesses? Christian Posh. Downtown. or Pache. Let's get him sleeved up. Now, these downtown cards, this is interesting. I did a break on a 2022 box and was able to pull a Ty Cobb downtown. It's kind of funny because I see everybody pulling these, and I've yet to pull one myself. And in this month, I've pulled 2 now. So this is a little bit of a surprise. I am very pleased with that. Get this sleeved up here. This is nice. You know, it doesn't have to be a Ken Griffey Jr. It doesn't have to be, you know, a Honus Wagner or anybody. Just the fact that it's a downtown card makes it nice. And I am very pleased with this. Very pleased. I'm just excited to finally pull one of these and have it, quote, in my hand. So, that's awesome. That's really awesome. I enjoy that. Continuing on, we have the club, Alex Rodriguez. We have Tris Speaker for Cleveland. And we have a diamond debut of Sixto Sanchez, who is no longer with Miami. He's actually with Philadelphia. Wow, this pack feels thick too. Okay, something's going on here. Oh, filler. Okay. I was going to say, that might be what's going on with the other ones there, too. It could be fillers. I've only ever hit one hot box of, it was the 2016 Optic Baseball. It was a hot box. It had 5 autographs in it, and half the box was refractors and numbers. So, you do get to hit a gold mine every once in a while. Jorge Mateo, San Diego, rookie card. Panini has a redemption they're supposed to be sending to me of him in mosaic autograph that I had pulled. We have Shoeless Joe Jackson, Chicago. Casey Mize, rookie card, Detroit. San Diego, Hae-Sung Kim. Adonis Medina, Philadelphia rookie card. And, yeah. Lou Gehrig, Gallery of Stars. I wish I could have been able to see him play in person. I'm only 48 right now, but I think it would have been so awesome to see these guys playing the way that they did. We only have video footage of it, but I think it would be awesome to see him play in person. Diamond King debuts, Dalton Jeffries. And we're closing in that pack out with an Evan White, Seattle. Probably a filler in here too. Yep. Whoa, not a filler. Okay, let's do this. The Art of Hitting, Miguel Cabrera. Nice. The Art of Hitting. Rafael Marchand, Philadelphia. Diamond Kings debut, Luis Garcia. I like these Diamond King inserts. Nice. Carl Erskine, Brooklyn. Yu Darvish, San Diego Padres. Vladimir Guerrero, Montreal. And my man, the polar bear, Pete Alonso, New York. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's a red hat. BKMS. Oh boy, Mike Schmidt. What did we get of him? Okay, Mike Schmidt, game used bat Kings. Wow, that is nice. I like that. Game used Bat Kings, Mike Schmidt. Canvas texture chut. Scratch it, scratch it, scratch it. Bat Kings, Mike Schmidt. The enclosed game worn / used material is guaranteed by Panini America. Nice, nice. Let's get that sleeved up. It's a very good card to pull. For you guys that were collectors from around 2000, I got a couple boxes of 2001 Fleer Legacy, and I had pulled a Mike Schmidt autographed hat. That's the second material-related card that I pulled with Mike Schmidt. Let us take a look at what we got here. Maybe this is just a filler. Yep, it's just a filler. Okay. Frank Thomas, Chicago, a.k.a. the Big Hurt. He was one that I also PC'd for a while. Bryce Harper, Philadelphia. Detroit, Isaac Paredes. If I'm wrong, please correct me down below. I apologize for the enunciations. Charlie Keller, New York. Joe DiMaggio, New York. Joltin' Joe. Oh my. Blank canvas. That's a 1-of-1. Christian Yelich, Milwaukee, Gallery of Stars. Jonathan Stiver, Chicago. Stiver or Stever. And Atlanta, Tucker Davidson. So, that is our Cincinnati Joe Morgan. Yay, Toronto, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. We have a rookie card of Luis Gonzalez. We have San Diego Padres, Fernando Tatis Jr. We have former New York Mets prospect, who is now on Cleveland, Andre Jimenez rookie card. And this awesome 1-of-1 thingy. We have Legacy Lithographs insert, Buster Posey, San Francisco. And we have debut Diamond Kings, Joey Bart, San Francisco. And to close out that pack, Ronald Acuna Jr., Atlanta. This should be our autograph, hopefully. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got something in there. We got something in there, alright. Not sure what, but this will be fun. Carlos Correa, Elegance. It's a nice insert. Brent Rooker, Minnesota. Zach McKinstry, Los Angeles Dodgers. The Rhino, Ryan Sandberg, Chicago. We got Sixto Sanchez, Miami. We got Honus Wagner, Pittsburgh. We've got Steven Apostle from Texas. And then our big winner of the insert auto might be a rookie, Diamond King MS AM. Adonis Medina, Philadelphia. Number 12 out of 25. And that is some serious patch. Chunky. That is nasty. Yeah, you gotta feel that. The one thing that I find interesting, it's some of these autographs that are coming out.